guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August Allure Beauty. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received my Allure Beauty box for August, and I'm dying to see what's inside. This is kind of like my Ipsy. My Ipsy's $10 a month, and I always say I'll never complain about the Ipsy Glam Bag. This one's $15 a month, and I normally will never complain about my Allure either, because $15 with free shipping with all of the products that you get to try is always amazing. Some months are way better than others. Some months they'll put in, like, one time we got like an $80 skincare product in there, and I haven't seen one since, but some boxes are definitely way better than others. But I'll never really complain about it because for $15 you normally get some pretty good stuff. So here is that. Here is the little pamphlet for this month, and they go over the pricing and stuff like that inside. And this month we have a green bag. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we have. Let me just dump these products out, make it easier. And the first item right on top is a mini makeup eraser. And if you guys did watch my mystery box from Fashionista, I got a large or regular size that I haven't tried yet because it says to wash first. So I just washed it and I have not used it yet. So this one I'll put in a future giveaway for one of you guys to try, because I don't need two, because I hear they last for a very, very long time. So I'll go ahead and stick this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to try out. But let's see, it says this is equal to 3,600 makeup wipes. So I'm really, really excited to try mine. It's just when I did unbox it, I was told by you guys, so thank you so much, to wash it first so it works. So that's what I did. Now this says that it's valued at $12 for the mini makeup eraser, and it's in black. So that's what it will look like right there. So that is valued at $12. That's almost the cost of this entire box in just that one item. So then next we have is a multitasking eye serum mask. So there's that guy right there. Let me see if this is in here. It is. And it says $35. So I'm assuming that's for like a whole package of them, not just for one. But there's that item right there. Next we have is a little sample of a water cream, Hydrate and Glow. The full size for this would be $40 that you can purchase at Sephora. And this is a berry water cream. Let's see here. Hydrator plus illuminator. And the actual product, look how cute. Looks like that. And oh goodness, it even gets even smaller. It's just that little tiny, my humps. That little tiny mound in there. So this might be like, it just smells like a cream smell. So this would just be like a couple usage. At least you can try it and see if it would be worth buying the full $40 value. But that is so cute. Little. So we have that item. Then we have by Cargo Cosmetics. This is an essential lip color. And there's the packaging. This is valued at $22. So let's go ahead and get this guy open. It looks like it might be in the color of Bordeaux. Is that how you say that? I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to probably not see that. But it looks like it says Bordeaux. B-O-R-D-E-A-U-X. I don't know. I always spell things wrong. Or pronounce things wrong. I spell things wrong too. All right, so let's get this guy opened. So there's the actual packaging. So this is a lipstick. Ooh, and that is a bright, not bright, but that is a dark burgundy color. Let's see what that looks like on. Whoa. It didn't look that dark until I'm looking at my little tiny lips in the camera. Okay, you guys, that is very dark. Let me go ahead and put a little, whoa, I should have just did that on my hand first and then I would have noticed. But there's my hand and there's my lips. So there's that product. And again, that is valued at $22. I like that it's not getting on my teeth because that's my one pet peeve of any lip product, if it gets on my teeth. So far, so good. So there's that item right there. Then next we have from Benefit, They're Real. This would be a Beyond Mascara. And let's see here. It'll probably tell me what the full size product is because this is definitely a sample. But again, you get to try out some really cool things this way. So the full size would be $25. Let's just see what the packaging looks like. I'm not gonna open it because this will go in a future giveaway for one of you guys to try out. And if you guys like it, then you can buy the full size, but at least these do last a little while. Now next we have from Laritzi Cosmetics. This is a liquid beam. Let me get this open. Oh, I just ripped the package. So there's that. This guy right here is valued at $22. And this is in the color of Topaz. This is a glittery liquid bronze eyeshadow. What? It's an eyeshadow? Wait, it's an eyeshadow? I thought this was a lip gloss. I was gonna straight put it over my lips right now as a lip topper, but apparently, oh, it says it's multi-purpose liquid illuminator. This glittery liquid bronze eyeshadow has a glossy wet finish. Add a little to the inner corner of my eye. What in the world? I straight want to put this over my lips like a lip topper, but I don't, I'm confused with this product, you guys. I'm really confused with this product. Liquid Beam. If you guys know more about this, please let me know. Is it really an eyeshadow? Because it looks like a liquid lip gloss. Like, how is that an eyeshadow? I don't know. I don't know, but we have that product. Next, we have a triple action eye cream. And this guy is $40. And I don't know if that's going to be for this size or if it is, this I would think would be a full size product. But if it is, then this is $40 just for this little guy. So that's what the packaging looks like. And I can see from my lights, it's only filled to right here. So if this is $40, this must be some good stuff then, because yikes. Yikes. I'm gonna have to go and see what the $40 one is, if it's this 0.5 fluid ounce, and if it is, then yikes. But there's that. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. We have the reusable bag, we have the eye product, we have this confusing to me. I mean, you guys probably know what in the world this is, but this is just a confusing product to me. We have the Cargo Cosmetics, and I'm not flipping you off, that's just my available finger at the time. We have the mascara to try out, this little tiny cute guy to try out. We have a mask eye serum, and then we have the mini eraser, makeup eraser. So again, for $15, I think that is a really good deal, because just alone this lip product being $22 is well over this entire box. And then you have all these other goodies to try out as well. So I love my Allure. If you are interested in Allure, I will have them linked down below. You can go ahead and check them out. I believe I prepaid for an entire year. And in doing so, I think I either got 1 month free or I got 1 box cheaper. There was something on how I saved a little bit of money by doing the entire year. So that's what I did. And I signed up, I believe, like November of last year. So I still have quite a few months, and I'll probably go ahead and do a whole nother year again after that to show you guys another year, because I really do like my Allure. Again, sometimes they're way better than others, but I've never complained so far, I don't think, on one of these not having at least one item that paid for the entire box to make it worth it for me. So I like my Allure. So comment down below, you guys, did you have a favorite product in here? Did you get your Allure? Did you get different items? Sometimes some people get some different items or there's variations. So definitely let me know if you got anything different. I don't see anything in here that says anything about different variations. So maybe we all get the same stuff this month. I'm not quite sure. So definitely let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then you'll be able to see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.